ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، قال الله تعالى: أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Honorable Principal, respected teachers and all my dear friends, today I am going to deliver short speech on the topic of Surah Al-Ikhlas. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Qul huwallahu ahad, Sahi Jalla Daban. Allahu Samad, Allah the Eternal Absolute. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begetted not, nor is he begotten. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is none like unto him. At last I would thank my dear friends, teachers, audience for giving short time. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.